Question number 17. In the triangle ABC, the vertices A 2, 3, B 4, -1 and C 1, 2. Find the equations and length of altitude from the vertex. So this is a triangle ABC. So its vertices are given by 2A 2, 3, B 4, -1 and C 1, 2. So here we have to find the equation of this altitude and perpendicular distance or length of AM or perpendicular distance A to the line BC. So slope of BC, we have to find slope of BC is equal to y2 minus y1 is equal to, we can write 2 minus 1 whole divided by 1 minus 4, which is equal to 2 minus 1, which is equal to 3 divided by -3. So we get -1 we get. Okay. Then slope of BC. Slope of BC is equal to -1 we already find. Then we have to find the slope of AM we have to find. Is equal to question mark. So if two lines are perpendicular, the slopes M1 into M2 is equal to -1. So here M1 is equal to -1 we already find. And M2 is equal to, we have to find. So we already know that -1 into M2 is equal to -1. So M2 is equal to how much? 1 we get, isn't it? Equation of AM through A 2, 3 is given by y minus y naught. Y naught is 3 here. Y minus 3 is equal to M is how much? 1 into x minus x naught. Here M2 is 1. So 1 into x minus 2 we have to write. So after simplifying we get a y minus 2 is equal to x minus 2 we get. So we can write like this: x minus 2 transpose this y to this side. So it becomes minus y. Transpose these two to this side, so it becomes plus. So which is equal to 0 we can write. So x minus 2 and this is x. Sorry, this is 3. X minus 2 and transpose this is 3, not 2. Okay. So we get like this: x minus, this is 3. Sorry, this is 3. So x minus 2, after simplifying we get x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 we get. Okay. Similarly we can find equation of BC. B 4, -1 and C 1, 2 is given by y minus y1, which is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So y minus y1 is how much? Y minus y1. Y1 is how much here? Y minus -1 is equal to x2 minus x1. Sorry, y2 minus y1. Y2 is how much? 2. Sorry, this we have already find, that is slope. So we already find that this is 1. We already find that one is -1. We already find that one. -1 we already find. then x minus x1 is equal to 4. So y plus 1 is equal to minus x plus 4 we get. So we get transpose this x to this side, which implies x plus y plus 1 minus 4 is equal to 0 we get. So we can write it again, x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0 we get. After simplifying we get this. Okay. Length of AM or perpendicular distance to line BC, that is perpendicular distance from A, the what is its coordinates 2, 3 to BC. So we can say this length of AM is also called perpendicular distance. So length of altitude, AM is altitude here. So length of altitude is equal to modulus of x1 y1 minus 3 whole divided by 1 square plus 1 square. So we get like this. What is x1 here? 2 plus 3 minus 3, okay, whole divided by root of 1 square plus 1 square is equal to 1 plus 1, which is equal to, we get a modulus of, after simplifying we get a, this will get cancelled, we get a modulus of 2 whole divided by root 2 we get, isn't it? So we get 2 by root 2 we get. 2 can be write as root 2 into root 2 whole divided by root 2 we can write. So which is equal to root 2, 1 root 2, root 2 will cut off. What will you get? Root 2 we get. That much unit we get. So required length of altitude is equal to root 2 units. Okay, is it clear for you? Question number 18. If P is the length of perpendicular from the origin to the line whose intercepts on the axis are A and B, then show that 1 by P square is equal to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. So we have to find the perpendicular, length of the perpendicular from the origin to the line. What is the line here? X by A plus Y by B is equal to 1. So we have to, then after that we have to show that 1 by P square is equal to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. Equation of line having intercepts on the axis are A and B. That is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. X by A plus y by B minus 1 is equal to 0. Look at this picture. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. So x-intercept is A and y-intercept is B. And the perpendicular distance to this line from the origin OO. So this perpendicular distance is represented by P. So we have to find this perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance P to the line x by A plus y by B minus 1 is equal to 0 is given by perpendicular distance D from origin O 0 0 to the line AX1 plus by1 plus c is equal to 0 by d is equal to modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c under root of a square plus b square. So we have to compare this general equation to this equation x by a plus y by b minus 1 is equal to 0. We have to compare. So after comparing we get a is equal to 1 by a and b is equal to 1 by b and c is equal to minus 1 we get. Is it clear for you? And we can write p is equal to modulus of x by a plus y by b minus 1 whole divided by under root of a square. A square means 1 by a the whole square plus 1 by b the whole square we get, isn't it? 1 by b the whole square we get. Okay, then which is equal to, we can write, since it passes through origin, this passes through origin, so in place of x we can put 0 modulus of 0 by a plus 0 by b minus 1 modulus whole divided by under root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square we get, isn't it? P is equal to, after simplifying we get like this, p is equal to minus modulus of, after simplifying we get p is equal to modulus of minus 1 whole divided by under root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. Okay, get p is equal to 1 by under root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square we get. Okay, now 1 by p we have to find. Okay, 1 by p is equal to what? Reciprocal of this. Reciprocal of this means 1. So 1 divided by under root of this. So 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. So we get the answer like this. 1 by p is equal to root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square we get. After reciprocal we get like this. Then squaring on both sides. So 1 by p square is equal to, we have to square it. Okay, squaring on both sides. So we get 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. So which is equal to 1 by p square is equal to, we have to square it. Okay, so after squaring we get 1 by a square plus 1 by b square we get. Hence the proof.